In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a backup email in Okta for password resets and account activations. This is a useful feature if you ever get locked out of your work email and need to reset your password. Okta recommends this for an extra layer of security. Let's get started. First, sign into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Customizations and then select Other. Find the optional user account fields and click on Edit. Enable the secondary email option and remember to save your changes. Now, when creating new users, you can add their backup email address immediately. This ensures activation emails are sent to both email addresses in the user profile, streamlining the process. Users can also use this backup email for password resets and account updates. And you can optionally allow users to update this field themselves to ensure the backup email address is always up to date. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest help resources.